Hello! So guys, for tonight, we're going to make my dinner. Charis lang. So first, we have here rice, San Marino corn tuna, mayonnaise, and nori. the seaweed snack only. Okay, so now let's open the San Marino corn tuna, and then we're going to put this here in our rice, little by little only. Okay, so that's enough. Tama na po yan. Okay, so now ito na po. Let's mix it. Mix until the San Marino corn tuna and the rice is going to combine. So by the way, this San Marino corn tuna is spicy one because I like spicy, but not too spicy, please. Okay, and then so yun pala guys, dapat mix na mix talaga para nuot na nuot ang sarap ng corn tuna at saka yung rice. Okay, so we'll continue to mix this like this. Okay, so you must try this one also because it's so delicious, guys. Alright, so mix. Pero feel ko parang kulang. Okay, so let's add more. Ano ba to? Sige na nga, ubusin ko na to. Okay, let's put all the San Marino corn tuna. Okay, so every bit is important, Charis. Okay, so now, oh, by the way guys, yung sa kuko ko po, yan po ay nail polish. So, because earlier, oh no, I put nail polish and then hindi na po makukuha sa kuko ko. So, that's why ganyan. Look, kitang-kita nyo naman. Okay, so now, I think parang tama talaga to. Yung rice at yung corn tuna. Okay, so let's continue to mix. And then, by the way guys, I got some pepper. Okay, so let's add more pepper so that it will add spiciness to our mixture. Okay, and then after that one, pero konti lang guys, konti lang po, sobrang anghang naman. And then let's put our mayonnaise. So, little by little naman po. Let's put this. Okay, ay ang hina naman, ang liit-liit kasi ng butas eh. Ano ba to? Ang tagal. Okay, let's push more. By the way guys, the more mayonnaise the better, because the mayonnaise balances the taste of our tuna. Okay, so after putting the mayonnaise, let's mix everything. Okay. And then, after that one, oh, parang habang minimix ko to, parang nagugutom na talaga ako. Okay, now, let's open our nori here, our seaweed snack. So, by the way, this seaweed snack, I first tasted it to my Korean student because she gave me one. I said, it's okay not to give me, but then she insisted to give that seaweed snack for me, and then she said that I'm going to try it. And then when I tried it at first, oh no, I think it's weird, the taste is weird, but actually at the end I think it's delicious. So that's why ito na nga, napa-order tayo sa TikTok. Okay, napa-order tayo nitong nori or this seaweed snack. Okay, so buksan ko na po to. Hindi ko alam bakit ko po binuksan tatlo, pero actually hindi ko po yan naubos yung tatlo. So dalawa lang talaga yung nakaya ko kasi ang dami na at sobrang busog ko na po. Okay, so but I have 3 here. I opened 3 packs. So what I'm going to do is I will get one Okay, there you go. But actually, it's just like manipis lang po. So now, let's put some mixture here. Okay, let's put some mixture. And then, okay, konti lang guys, para at least matiklupan natin yung bawat edge niya po. Okay, so that our mixture will be really inside of that nori. Okay, so that's the finished product. Very simple, guys. Very simple, but it was so delicious, I think. Yeah, and it was so very delicious. Okay, so now let's make more. Okay, yung mga basura okay. So now let's add another one. I think guys, napakadami talaga ng kanin na nalagay ko. And I think hindi ko po ito mauubos. Pasensya na po. Ako lang kasi isang kakain nito. I need help. Joke lang po. Okay, and after that one, that's the third one. So, you know guys, habang nilalagay ko po yan, parang gusto ko ng tikman. Okay, but we'll finish that one first. That one pack of our nori. Okay, so that's the third one. The fourth one. Okay, paghirap naman ito, oh. Okay. Let's feel the Korean vibe tonight. Charet! Actually, hindi naman po talaga. Yun lang, wala lang talaga po akong pagkain. Kaya po, naisipan kong gumawa niyan. Okay, so that's the fourth one. Very easy lang po. Oh no. So let's make more. More and more. And more and more. So actually guys, konti-konti lang yung ilagay nyo para at least matiklop nyo po itong nori kasi maliit lang po talaga siya eh. Okay, and then that's the finished product. I got 5 already. So wow, look at that. Oh, the creaminess. Okay, yun bang perfect combination talaga, yung rice, yung tuna, yung mayo at yung konting pepper. So wow, I think that was very delicious. Okay, so let's try. Ang sarap. Okay, walang video. Oh, ayan, ang sarap. Okay guys, kung gusto niyo rin gumawa nito, then gumawa kayo. Yun na po. It's good. Charan! Happy dinner!